Hey everybody, just jumping in here. This is my day 2 of Product Hunt videos. I am on a 594-day streak, and so I wanted to start making videos, make use of that, and bring you guys along to hunt products with me on Product Hunt. So I'm on the Chrome extension here. The extension's great. You get a quick little top news headlines, the date, and then you can see here I am on a 594-day streak. And if we click that, it'll take us to the leaderboard. So we can scroll down and check. And scroll down. We're at number 26, which I think we were at number 26 yesterday, so we're holding strong there. We've got a while before we can actually compete for these spots if these people continue to stay. So very good still, 594 days. I'm proud of that. But let's just jump in here. It's later in the day. So usually the first 4 hours of the day, the upvotes are hidden to make it fair for all of the new launches. But we're doing this video later in the day, and so we see those. But let's just jump in. So we've got number 1 is key mentions, convert traffic in Reddit traffic into customers. It's got free options. Key mentions tracks your brands and keywords and notifies you when an active discussion is taking place. Cool. I've seen a couple things like this before. Let's look at the screenshots. Okay, yep. So basically, you're going to be able to monitor, almost like a Google Alerts, you're monitoring Reddit for different alerts, and then it'll let you know so that you can go in there, find the thread, and comment. Pretty cool. I've seen one like that similar. An AI-powered goal management app. Vocab, learn German with each tab you open. With the amount of tabs I open, I should probably know 10 languages by now. Then we've got cheat sheet, create a cheat sheet for anything fast. I like that tagline. The tagline's the most important. Really like that. It's very simple. It's a new AI app that helps you create visual cheat sheets on any topic with one click. Perfect for students, teachers, and professionals who need to learn or prepare for an exam or make engaging presentations. Pretty cool. Let's see. Any topic, any level. All right. Let's check out the website. Okay, cool. So it's like an LLM chat. You've got your inputs. You've got basic, intermediate, or comprehensive. Test prep, homework help, lesson plans. What's under other? Other, you can choose a custom, and you can choose your grade level. Very cool. Straightforward. I like it. All right. Nail your niche. Find product market fit faster. That's a tongue twister. BitKit, self-custodial Bitcoin and Lightning wallets. Skip, cross-platform mobile app development. Database design Copilot. An AI super social app where you can share, shop, and explore. Huh. All right. So let's check out the number 1. And then let's check out their website. Yeah. Yep. So pretty straightforward. We've got monthly and yearly pricing. 0. So for free, you can actually monitor 1 keyword a month and 30 mentions. That's not bad. If you want to just monitor 1 keyword, that's pretty cool. I like it. All right. Then I think that's it. I think those are the only 2 that really caught my eye and kind of stood out to me today. Let's go to all. We left off at BNA. All right, so here we go. Let's get down here and see. All right, text to video AI, chart database, database schema diagram visualizer.
Hey, welcome to the demo. I'm going to show you a new product called ChartDB. ChartDB is free and open source database diagram editor.
Free and open source.
Basically visualize your database
Cool.
via one single query. It's going to take you less than 15 seconds to show your database with all the tables and the relationship between them in less than 50 seconds, and then what I'm going to show you in that demo. So one thing to know, you don't need to put any credentials for your databases, and the last thing is that you don't need to sign up. So let's start and click Go to App. Basically, I already have a diagram that already loaded, but let's go and start from the beginning.
So it's just a visualizer for your databases,
which but it's open source, and that's Postgres database.
So it's almost like a mind map for
we support
your databases,
regular Postgres, Supabase,
very cool.
Timescale. So let's start.
Plus, open source and free, amazing. Cool. All right. Let's see what else we got. Your AI-powered ultimate Twitter battle. It's not Twitter anymore, it's X. But this caught my attention, so let's see. AI-powered battle. X Showdown was built for you to challenge anyone on X with brash, confident, and mean tongue. This tool analyzes your and your. Uh-oh, we got a little typo there. Your and your opponent's tweets to spit out jaw-dropping truth why you are so cool and superior to your opponent. Okay, so kind of like a battle of wits / hot or not for Twitter. Is that what it is? Burger King. Why does Burger King make King Charles jokes look like a joke? Okay. 5 savage reasons Almond wins. All right. It's cool. Let's see what else we got. Free pin generator. Create branded Pinterest pins for your blog. That's cool. That's cool if you blog and heavily use Pinterest to drive traffic. Definitely check that out. Yeah, very cool. So you enter the URL, you click optimize, and publish. Very, very cool. Smart. Notion Ultimate Finance Dashboard. CoinBee Hub. Your all-in-one Web3 compass. Navigate the crypto world with ease, from market insights to airdrops. Whether you're a novice or an expert, we've got the tools to power your digital journey and dive into Web3 with confidence. All right, so we've got some news. Basis. What's Basis? Oh, they want us to click. It's interactive. Basis. Okay, so it's just tools, exchanges. We gotta click here. I like this interactive. This is cool. The interactive thing is really cool. Click airdrop next. All right. Anti-attacked others. Meme. Okay, so it's trading tools. Very cool. And it's like about the tool, functions. NFTs. Very cool. I like the interactive intro too. Very nice. Okay. Cool. Let's tell them that. All right. Nice. Nice work. Okay. We're at about 10 minutes, and I don't want to make these super long, so we're going to just probably stop right there. But I'll be back tomorrow for another product hunting video, and we'll see you then. All right.